Right.
No, she 100% is. That's a fact. I can show you why too.
I mean, okay, well, I bet OG right now, I could ask her right now, because she's watching, can you show me all the things that you donated to people? Like,
Yeah,
with the
for
wish
sure.
stuff. I'm sure she will have no problem showing me any of that.
Yes. Please do. And then I can show you where the suspicion comes in.
How many blue whales am I worth?
Well, I mean, I know what she purchased for me,
Yeah, she told me on the phone that she was going to drag you later for that.
which is fine.
I mean, do you have
She said she bought the two most
I mean,
expensive
you
bags.
record phone calls, right, Florida man?
I don't record it. She does.
I know you're. No,
Well, that is not
You know
true,
she does.
because you recorded our phone call with me in Malibu, and
Did I record?
then spliced it together with Stephanie's, trying to insinuate that her and Stephanie had a conversation. So
Wait, I did what?
Did you do it too?
Because I remember telling you that I recorded our phone call, and that was just to fuck with you. That was so you wouldn't lie about what was on
you
the
literally
call.
played the phone call on your live, man. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Serious.
There was only one
Did I?
time that you ever had spoke to Malibu on the phone. That was when we had a three-way
there was-
call. I was on Discord, called you on Discord, had her on my phone. I was on the iPad. I was sitting right here. You recorded that call.
And you said I spliced it with Stephanie.
Yeah. You put two different phone calls together, trying to insinuate that Malibu had been talking to Stephanie on the back end.
Was it on
You were
live?
trying to, huh?
She wants you to get
Was it on live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 470 people in here, can you please send Smashley the clip of that for me so she can play it?
I'm sure I probably have it somewhere. Actually,
That works.
I have to get my
I'll go
laptop.
look for that screen. I'll go look for that screenshot while that clip comes in, because I don't think that clip exists. I never spliced any phone calls together.
Be serious here. If you were to say, because you have to ask you can't ask my dad.
Well, we'll just be waiting for the whatever receipt.
So I'm gonna go look for that call real quick. I'll be right back.
And what would you bring to the table? You can't bring pork chops. What?
Listen, I know some of you guys are not happy that I'm entertaining this, but I feel like it's kind of important.
Anymore.
sick of it.
Yes.
I get it. I know, Rhythmic, you're not happy. I know.
Someone touched an elephant.
Hey, babe, how many elephants am I worth?
What have I always said, though? My OGs, what have I always said? What have I always said?
What? What?
This is true, Switzerland. You did, in fact, let him know.
Shut up, Boom Boom.
I know. Listen, I get it. I get it. I'll have a conversation with anybody.
Have dowries
I'll have a
in
conversation with
Africa,
anybody.
too, in
It's been
Nigeria.
respectful so far.
Yeah, I
Nothing, you know what I mean?
Guess what? So am I. So am I.
I've got moral support up here.
I'm
Thank you,
still
brother.
married too. Okay.
There's a root. Yes, there's a method.
I'm gonna give you the big bucks. Yeah. The reason why it doesn't look the same is because Ferris Texas figure.
Ken Dog.
Well, again, that goes back to everybody's phone looks different. One
Yeah,
of them
that's why I
was on
wanted
the
to-
dark mode. The other one, you know what I mean? Like,
Exactly, Kim.
a friend of mine had kind of the same blocky,
Dowries out, right?
just like that. So, I'm not saying it doesn't look the same.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
just
why I
saying you
wasn't
didn't show
questioning.
all of it.
The couple
Yeah.
over there.
No, I did. That's why I said
Oh,
I wasn't
know.
questioning the lines because everybody's phone does look different.
It does.
Other side. Up top. Grab a
There's
big
two. There should be
cup.
four
And then there's
that
ice,
it equaled out to.
and then the water's filtered, so it's really good.
There's 3 and 4. OG knows what's coming next That's why she won't give you context.
Harassment and bullying. I'm dead.
because where I stopped,
Fucking elephant.
it's like, damn, that's a little fucked up on the OG, but it's okay. Did you get that clip?
Well, I can get it tomorrow. I can't read that fast, but.
All right, when you get that clip, can you please share the live to me so I can be in a box?
Oh,
I
you
guess
mean the
you
one
play
we
the
were
shit.
talking about? My bad. I thought you meant the screenshot. Sorry.
No, the clip.
I
Of
yeah, I
me splicing.
definitely don't have that right now. I have to get my
Because
laptop.
that's something I'm interested in. Because
Yeah, no, it was I was off for it was just after I believe after I sent you the cease and desist.
okay,
It was like that week.
I'll look too. But it's not fair if I look because I can purposefully say I didn't find it. But with the 476 people in here, Smash and all that, if y'all could find that clip, send it to Smash. You ain't even gotta send it to me. Play it. But let me be in the box when you do. So if you're telling the truth, I can eat that plate of shit. And I got one more question. Why isn't OG going live about this herself and showing receipts? Why is she having everyone else talk about it?
Well,
Because-
for one, I have chose to talk about it. This is my decision and my decision only. I feel like if she wants to go live and talk about it, she can. Maybe she's taking the advice of an attorney, like maybe Farrah should be doing, and not talking about it.
What the fuck was that about?
Well, what's being shown on Farrah's side is the truth. But OG's sending you receipts, which if, going live to talk about it would be breaking the attorney. Sending people evidence would also be breaking that too.
Not necessarily breaking the attorney, just advice, like being like, hey, maybe you shouldn't be going live and making shit worse.
Or sending it around so other people can talk about it. But OG don't have an attorney. She's got $22.
I mean, technically, I showed the same screenshots you did, so.
Yeah, but did you show the one where she had $22?
At my church.
I mean, if Square refunded every person that sent her money through her business, that makes sense. That would make sense that she would have $22.
Well, yeah, and you did say that, Florida, and you did say that Square automatically refunded everybody.
He straight told you no.
He's like, I don't think.
35 now, isn't it? Or-
I can hear my voice on your phone. You are! That's me!
Is it me you're looking for?
When I was in Jamaica, you know what was really weird? I was at the resort, and I was on live, and I was walking by, and I heard me talking on someone's phone. I'm like, hey, you're watching my live. He's like, yeah, it was the bartender. He's like, yeah, I'm watching your live. I was like, that's weird.
More than $22. If you can give me the big bonus. It's my favorite screenshot.
He does
It's the one that proves the most.
Wait, babe. He's a church goer. He loves Jesus.
Because, this right here was the 16th
Me too. I'm gonna
of
be
December.
someday.
And this is right around the time that she was doing
What would you like to hear?
adopting the families and stuff like that. And then fulfilling all the wish lists by herself. The only one that she did not fulfill with her own money was the one that she did on the 20th where Animal was eating things. I got that video posted. She also claimed to several people that she herself paid for guys' hotels.
Are you in an airport, bro? God damn, what? You say
Stop
that
trying to figure out where I am, scamming closet.
I'm sorry, it's just loud. It's loud as fuck. You just blew everybody's eardrums. Jesus Christ.
Hey, you know what? I hate it when I'm up here with you. Do you know why? Why? Because I calm you down.
I get it, OG. I get it. Scamming closet's money looks tempting.
They hate it because
But,
when I'm up here with
you
you,
lying to everybody.
no content.
Scamming Closet won?
Did you see the one where she said two payments in one day?
Did you know Scammy Claus refunded my money and I randomly got almost $300 refunded back to me one day and I was like, where the fuck did this come from? Did you know that?
She's taking other payments on the back end.
Right, babe?
But I'm going to go get the ones where she said that she didn't do two payments in one day. I'll be right back.
Yeah, they cannot stand it. Right, guys?
Also, I just want to make it super clear that everyone, all 492 of you, understand that Virgo gives no fucks who drags me for having a wish list. You want to know why? Because my kids will have Christmas presents in a couple days under the tree, and you can drag me all you like. No fucks given.
They're right.
I'm proud of you, girl. I am.
Here we are.
Here we are.
You know how many years you spent helping everybody else figure shit out?
Here we go. Here we go. Just
Period.
an Afrobeat song, okay? Why are you not playing? This fucking thing. Okay, ready?
Hello. Okay, so I have no wet bones, dry bones, nothing. But I do use Square. I have for, gosh, 7 or 8 years. And I was just over eating some cereal, and I feel like we could come to this conclusion super quick and easy by if a customer tells me to manually charge their card, I have the message with the date and time of when that customer asked me to do it, along with the exact time that I charged the card, because I would do it right after, because that's when they said to do it. So if it was charged 29 times, OG should have 29 authorizations.
She should.
Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. And thank you for the pretties. I get really nervous up in boxes, but I just feel like that would be a real simple way to solidify if there was extra charges, not extra charges. You get what I'm saying? Like on the Square. And Square is very, very, very good about their disputes. You have to go through a process on the Square dashboard app, and they send you messages, and you have to send in like the receipt for the payment of the service and why the dispute is happening, and then they okay whether or not it goes back.
Are you familiar? I got a question for you, OG. So what happened with OG is other people disputed, and then Square red flagged the account and then started automatically issuing refunds to all of the suspicious and fraudulent charges that she made.
Well, she should have a whole bunch of emails stating that they were disputed, though. You'll get notifications from every single one. I've only had one dispute, and it was because it was I bought off the TikTok shop, and I had used, you have Square card you can use, and I had used it like a dummy. And so it was my dispute, but they send it all in emails, so there should be emails. She can hop right onto her Square notifications, and it'll show her dispute, all the disputes that she does have in her Square. I mean, that's a lot of personal information to put out. It's her business. I mean, but if this all happened and it happened with Square, they'll take care of it. Square's really good to their customers. So
They are really good with customers, but Vera did not dispute any charge. Square automatically refunded it, and that's how she noticed that something was up, along with the invoice. And to the chat, I appreciate y'all hatefully cheering me on. I love it. You know, it gives me the motivation to keep going. But here at the bottom, you see it says, I'm not seeing transactions that happen 2 in one day. But
you guys, I hope you guys all have a wonderful Christmas with your families and your loved ones, and you guys all.
all right, well,
If you celebrate,
I'm gonna hop down and let you guys figure the rest
Wait,
out.
go back.
I wanted to give the little bit of information is all.
Thank you.
The Square. All right. Remember, it's the holidays, guys, and hug your family members or your animals or yourself. Just be kind. Bye, guys.
Merry Christmas. All right, let me read this.
yeah. Oh, I like that one.
Grinch, she didn't dispute anything. You did, Mama Wolf. I appreciate you.
Yeah, big boy.
All right, so you see at the bottom of this match where it says, I'm not seeing transactions that happen 2 in one day.
Listen, you guys, my Christmas is gonna suck this year, but you know what? Just think about it this way. You're dancing like
That would be a
Agatha
lot.
right now.
Because on
That's
December
the way
14th, there was 2
Agatha
in one day.
But I feel like there was a few.
Like,
A few of those.
Oh, yeah. There was a few.
But they were exact duplicates. So why? Well, okay, well maybe not exact.
No,
Okay,
exactly.
so that one's exact.
December 12th.
But why are they duplicates though?
I'm good.
Because she went to charge it once. She told her it declined, and then she charged it again.
Okay.
And well, there's more too.
But that doesn't make sense because if something's declined, it's not gonna
Right.
play that, right? No?
It would say that on the OG side, and Farrah would have got a text. She never did get a text. But here's one where she charged $654 and then $260 in the same day. It's shady and it's theft. Like, genuinely. She took advantage of her because she didn't check her account every day.
Okay, hold on, real quick, guys.
Here's another one.
Hold on. Can we unblock? Can we unblock Nincompoop, please? I don't want.
Here's all.
But see, okay, so right there, so. Like that literally is like could be made up out of
Here's
nowhere.
page 2. This is her bank statement.
Right, but like what is SQ
Square.
Occasions, that's
where
Square. Occasions Inc. Occasions Inc. is her business. I can prove that too. This is just page 2. Let me do the other one so everybody here can see just how many there are. So here's the third page of them.
Said this from the beginning. Are you eating a hot dog? Sue says, hey, Henry.
Fourth page of them.
Says, hello, lovely Sue.
again, this is something that she's gonna have to prove. Farrah is gonna have to prove that was not authorized. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, there were more than enough fraudulent charges, but it's also the manipulation and all that adding up to it. Because who pays $180 some odd dollars for shipping for nails? Like, here is the quote invoice that OG made at first to get the money unlocked. She sent this email on December 15th. It says, "Hey Farrah, just wanted to let you know after your payment today, your balance is down to $20,032. Everybody in the chat, remember 20,032.
Well, don't. Well, hold on. Don't
Says-
skip me it. Oh. Go ahead.
No, it says, please keep me posted on the next payment, on when you would like me to take the next payment. And I will send you an updated contract reflecting your payments and balances thus far. Now, here's the part that no business says. I just wanted you to know, I really appreciate you making your weekly payments on time. It really means a lot to us, as we normally have to chase customers down for their balances they owe us. If you need anything, reach out to me."
Who the fuck
She
is
sent
that?
that to Square. Well, that's an email that she sent to Farrah to send to Square. This says balance as of 12/5, and the email date right there, December 15th. It didn't work. Square said we need an actual.
That's the 5th. Oh, that's the balance of the 5th. Sorry.
Now here is on the 16th, you see that Farrah received a new invoice, number 1. Occasions Inc. is down at the bottom in the green, which is the name on the square.
Right, but when were the text messages? Because in the messages that she said she needed a logo and to have an invoice sent.
This is the logo and the invoice right here.
So those on the same day.
This is, yep, on the 16th. So there's that one. We're gonna go to the second one that shows more fuckery. See the invoice number 00001, December 16th. It's just, it screams, this is fake. Now, I'm gonna go to the next one, and you're gonna see real quick, it's bad.
Smash, can you let Ranger up?
Now, here's the line items and shit. When you see that the full wedding service is $30,000, and the remaining balance after payments 20,086. But remember, in the email just the day before, it was 20,032. You see the zero next to it, subtotal 30,000, total due 30,000. She didn't do the math right on the invoice.
Listen, I can't always be the strong one.
Because it still says 30,000 owed. The next line up, remaining balance after the payment. And this didn't work either. Wonder why. She's also not an LLC, and Square does check that. For anyone who don't know.
But they had an agreement. They had an agreement just because she had never actually officially got married to her husband. There was never an official wedding, so she was actually planning a wedding for them.
No, she wasn't.
I do got this. I'm fine.
What do you mean? No, she wasn't.
I'll get to that, but let me show these real quick. These are all the Cash Apps. And the Cash Apps show really bad manipulation. I only have $22. I can't get my kid anything for Christmas. I need Christmas money, etc.
No, you're not. I'm the one that fucking.
Nowhere does it say I need Christmas money.
Shut your
What?
front door.
In those text messages, it sure does. I showed
Not
them.
there. Not there, doesn't. Look, if you're gonna read this
No,
shit, read it. Read it.
No, not there. It doesn't. But in the text
Read
messages,
it. Read it for what it is when you're reading it. Because look, I'm slow.
How am I going to read it for what it is when I'm telling OG to be transparent and release all the text
But you're
messages? I will
saying
go
these
through.
things like I'm supposed to know what the fuck's going on. I don't fucking know what's going on. Show the text messages then.
I love you guys.
Watch my live. I showed 112 text messages,
I love you
or well,
guys.
screenshots as a whole.
You're exhausting.
I'll put it all together and I'll post it. The ones with the line in it are the PayPal ones that came back blocked for fraud from her accounts.
And when you post it, can you like slow down the like when you switch it? Like at least give me time to stop it
Tell us who you are. Put your camera
and read
on.
it.
Why are you so
There's
upset?
3 seconds in between slides.
But that's 3 seconds not enough. I mean, we need like 3 more on top of that.
Then talk.
It's got to be 3 seconds because that gives me 30 slides that I'm able to do in one video. Here's more.
Well, go on, get.
Here, no, that was Cash App. This is PayPal. And this is where everybody says,
Why?
well,
Wait. Why are there things crossed out? What are the things crossed out?
those were the ones that she got request of from her. OG requested that money on PayPal. PayPal said nope, blocked for fraud, and was not able to make the money.
Well, that's not what
That
it says. It says request received canceled.
May the Lord be with you.
Yeah,
Nowhere in there does it say blocked for fraud.
Well, why don't you have OG request money from you on PayPal and you'll see it?
OG, request money from me real quick.
Send $1,000 request, OG,
Yeah, send me a.
on either PayPal.
Can we let Ranger talk real quick?
Yeah.
Sorry, I just want to read this, and I don't know either of these parties really, so I have no bias either one way or the other. But I did look online, and it says, if a cardholder doesn't recognize a charge and files a dispute. Oh, sorry, wait, let me scroll up a little bit. It says Square's risk systems can tag transactions as higher risk or suspicious. They might notify you and recommend canceling or refunding them before the goods, but they never automatically refund. You have to do a dispute or a chargeback with your bank. That's what it says online.
Well, if an account gets flagged for fraud and fraudulent activity is found, they will start to automatically refund. I was on the phone with the bank. I got it all recorded, fair, got permission, all that, good to go. I have all that.
Okay, I was just reading what it said.
No, you're good. But it's a good point to bring up. It's not, I have an answer for everything. Let me go get something real quick to show you after I explain this screenshot. It's more than just fair that got refunded. You see the $1,000 blocked out. She tried it with both of her other PayPals, $500 a piece. Didn't work. And now OG's running around saying that Farrah said use your mom's social security number. Nope. Where's that text? I have the text that says, why don't you use your mom's PayPal? Not social security number. So OG, show that text about social security number. And if you can't, I wouldn't mind if everybody stopped saying that. But I'll be right back with more.
Whoa. Why are there 3 different Amber names up there? Can you prove that that's
Without
her?
a shadow of a doubt, that's her. 100% of the way.
How do you know?
Because she told me in my text she's got several PayPal accounts and showed me fucking screenshots of them.
Can you show it?
Yeah, I'm leaking top to bottom text messages to OG from the first time I ever texted her to the last time. Tomorrow night on my live. Nothing redacted. A real phone dump of just OG.
My 10 tomorrow. Then I'm off Christmas. Then I work another 10 the next day. Yeah, I'm gonna get off here because I feel like I've been snoring Kevin. You know, it's okay with it. I love you. You don't care. I know. I do. But we'll talk tomorrow. Alright. If there's an issue, you just call me and I'll come right back.
So this is the screenshots of refunds that she did a screen recording on. I snapped it right here because that bottom transaction on the same day, December 17th, $1,206.10. That wasn't one of theirs. That was someone else's. I'm already in the process of matching up all of Fair's charges with everything that's refunded on this. And there's going to be a few that aren't fair. So that tells me that there are more people that she's defrauding. And people have did disputes with her. And won, which caused her account to be flagged, which caused her account to go into refund everybody.
Remember when I worked this job before, my eyes are always hurt. I gotta use the helmet safety glasses when I will. I do most often, but shit gets, you know.
Everybody's paused. I feel like everybody's waiting on OG's like leadership to go forward.
I am not talking to OG. Other people are asking questions.
I know, but
Smash is probably dealing with the PayPal thing.
they probably did get a fucking request and it came up as fraud, and she's like, fuck. I can't go live and say he's right. You don't have to, Smash. It's okay. I know I am.
My problem is my eyes are really okay, so I'm not add this or
No, I was looking for a screenshot about something, and then I forgot because you're over here running your fucking mouth. I forgot. But I do have Sog's Roach. Ew. Hold on one second. I'm gonna shrink you down for just a second. But I do have this. We were just talking about something though, and I was looking for a screenshot that I know I received, but I forgot because I'm
Context of it. I probably got it.
I'm a big drunk. So, let me put this up though. Hold on.
So I gotta like really, I gotta take them off to like look, and that's when something had hit it. And I went through this before. There's one royal back there. But I did that last year, and I feel like.
Okay, so you said that she was not planning a wedding, but I have proof of otherwise.
You know, which I already got my notes, and I feel like those that my eyes have read the blind since then, so I need to go.
You do know that there's something behind that, right?
I have to.
Get the context further up from her, not just one screenshot.
So I will. I'll take off the whole, and I'll look.
And what's blocked out down there?
Probably, I have no idea.
I'm showing unredacted here.
Well,
Get
then
up there
show
further.
it. Do you have that screenshot? Then show it. I'm not trying to put out fucking people's information.
I want her to be uncomfortable and show
You
it.
said that there was no plan of a wedding. So if you could really do that, we did want to plan one for
Hold on.
October.
Come on, OG.
You said that she wasn't planning a wedding. That right there looks to me like she was planning a wedding. So prove to me.
Yeah, it sure does. With one screenshot. Go back
Okay.
up. Scroll
so
up
then-
a little bit, OG.
Well, I can't. So why don't you scroll up if you've got it all? Then show me.
And this is the problem with OG, and I'm pointing this out right now. She's been doing this one screenshot for context at a time. There's no context with one
She
screenshot.
literally she has given me every fucking screenshot, every context of every fucking thing I've asked. this whole time. So why don't you show
Why do
yours?
why do I have 4 videos of screen recordings of their conversation?
Well, show it then. What is above this? Tell me.
I have been.
Tell me what is above this? What is the context above this message right here? This,
Well, think that she is planning a wedding. Go ahead.
but
Think that
it
she's
literally
planning a
says that. My mother
Yeah.
will pay for that, and she would pay in full. What are you fucking talking about, Florida man?
Well, I'm talking about she's not giving me the full context. If you have it all,
Well, what's
no.
the full context then? Tell me. Since you know it all, don't you have all the receipts?
I sure do.
Okay, well then prove it. What's
I'll let
before
y'all settle.
this? What's that?
If OG doesn't want to give it to you, why would I?
I think you're the one. Listen,
I'll show it on my live. That's for sure.
what I think, that's fine, you show it on your live, but what I think is that Farrah brought it to the internet, to you specifically. You've taken this on. I think it's kind of your burden and her burden to fucking prove it otherwise, don't you?
I've been proving everything otherwise. Have I not?
Except this. You said there was no plan of a wedding. This right here shows that there's a plan of a wedding.
So I want everybody to see that right there. You can prove 100 things wrong, but it just one. Everything else is no, it's okay. Fuck him. No.
Nobody said that.
You
I didn't say fuck you.
I proved everything else wrong. I appreciate that.
I didn't say fuck you.
Huh?
I didn't say fuck you.
I'll let OG send that to you, and I'll let you ask her for that because this is the part where
This ain't my fucking
I think
deal. This was just a screenshot it randomly got sent to me. And I happened to scroll through it looking for something else and I forgot what I was fucking looking for anyways.
send the rest of it.
No, why don't you ask Farrah to send the rest?
Hey, why don't OG send the rest instead of lying?
I didn't need the rest.
Why is it
That's
always on
enough
me?
for me right
Why is
there
it-
that there was a plan for a wedding. I'm sorry.
Why is it always on me to disprove everybody else when
You
when I'm telling
brought
them?
it here, Florida man. You are like top tier. You're up here. This is you. Up at the
Yeah,
top.
and here's
You
how
want
I'm
to take all this on. And then you got Farrah, and then you got everybody else below you. This ain't my
You can
fucking
take it left all you
problem.
want. You can take it left all you want, but here's how I'm gonna disprove her. OG, send the rest of them. Instead of just doing little
How about
context.
Farrah send the rest of them?
Send the rest of them.
How about Farrah? How about Farrah?
How about
send-
OG send lying?
How about Farrah
How
stop?
about Farrah's online? How about OG be honest about the hotel money, about all the money that she's gathered?
I don't know
Why
if
is she
Farrah's
honest?
being too honest
She's
herself,
broke.
though.
Don't donate to OG. That's the point.
Okay. Is that it? Don't donate to OG.
Yes, that's the point. I brought it up 20 minutes after I fully had proof.
Um,
And that's
Can I
when
say
said, "Don't
something?
donate to OG."
hang on. Florida man, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Sorry. I apologize.
You're fine, you're good.
There's Boss Hogs Roach in here that has been knocking, wanting to come up and say something. I'm sorry, I'm sick.
I got
Yeah,
it.
they've been knocking.
Thank you, baby.
I'd like to highlight Violet's comment. Don't let Farrah gift. Tell her no.
Tell who no? Me no?
No, Violet. Tell not Violet. Farrah. Tell Farrah no. If she tries to gift you, tell her no. No gifts from Farrah at all.
I don't need gifts from anybody, but you coming up here and accusing people of things are pretty crazy. So let's go back to the screenshots where on the square it had the math. Can we do that?
On with the math, where the percentage was.
No, so it had 390 where they debited 390. Let's do the math. Can y'all get out your calculator?